Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the Cowboy touch-up kit to fix the bicycle. So it just came in this kind of a plastic from Cowboy. Took a few days for delivery. And inside the bubble wrap we have this kind of little paint. And I'm hoping I can fix all these, kind of marks all over the bicycle just from my daily use. And the fenders as well. So let's go for it. So yeah, the paint is quite thick and smells like a nail polish. I recommend thin layers. And I hope it will look good once it's done. I'm hoping to put a few layers here. So yeah, it still needs to dry before I can tell final result. But my tip is put only on top of the white parts and as little as possible. And try to do many layers. I went a bit overboard. So I still think that from away it does look better than before, but we'll have to wait and see how it looks after it dries.